Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're diving into the world of online trading with Pocket Option, you know how crucial it is to fund your account quickly and securely. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to add money to your Pocket Option account using Cash App in 2025. It's faster than ever, and by the end, you'll be ready to trade like a pro. First things first, make sure you have the Pocket Option app and Cash App installed on your phone or device. This method is perfect for those who want to avoid traditional banking hassles. Step 1. Log into your Pocket Option account. If you're new, just download the app, sign up with your email, and verify your details. It's straightforward and takes less than a minute. Once logged in, head over to the Deposit or Wallet section, usually found in the main menu. Step 2. You'll see a list of payment options. Scroll until you find Cash App and select it. If it's your first time, you might need to link your Cash App account by entering your linked email or phone number. Don't worry, it's secure and only takes a few seconds. Step 3. Enter the amount you want to deposit. Keep in mind, Pocket Option might have minimum and maximum limits, so check those first to avoid any issues. For example, you could start with as little as $10. Step 4. Review the transaction details carefully. This includes the amount, fees if any, and the currency. Once you're good, hit Confirm, and you'll be redirected to the Cash App interface to approve the payment. Step 5. In Cash App, double-check the details and authorize the transfer. Funds should appear in your Pocket Option account almost instantly, usually within 1 to 5 minutes in 2025, thanks to improved integration. A quick tip. Always ensure your Cash App has enough balance and keep an eye on any transaction fees to maximize your trading capital. If you run into any problems, like a failed deposit, reach out to Pocket Options support. They're super responsive. And there you have it. You've just added funds to your account hassle-free. This method is a game changer for beginners and pros alike. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more trading tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading. See you in the next video.